nagpapalit.
Kahapon lang merong nagpunta ng ng Crest, mga naka-scooter. Nakita ko 5 yata sila sa may Oro Vista. Doon pumasok. Ayun.
Yan. Yan.
Hello, baby
Hi.
Maya.
Mm.
Tinitignan kayo.
Yan. Ayun, umulat ka. Nag-iinat naman.
Tawa na siguro kayo sa bahay.
Hindi pang siwahan ng isang oras.
Especially when you're dealing with the Masons, they're a secret society. They keep secrets. That's what they do. But the bottom line is that the Masons don't want to talk to us.
Buti nga hindi yan lumaki. Spokesman ako ng soft.
But the Masons
Talaga soda eh, no?
You know why? Because everybody burns them. Everyone blames them for every bad thing that's happened in this world.
Sabagay sa atin na naman marami pa mahiling.
All secrecy that's been
Sabi ko siya.